How to get the legendary birds. First, come to the battle frontier. Buy 3 deep sea scales. Now come to Port Deca. Follow where I go. Give the man all 3 scales, in exchange for 3 tickets. Now follow me. Go to Frigidia Island. Use max repels. Now follow where I go. Articuno will be here. Now go to Valtridia Island. Follow where I go again. Zapdos will spawn here. Now go to Obsidia Island. Follow where I go again. Moltres will spawn here. Now that you have all 3, come to Kesma and speak to this man. He will give you the silver wing. Now come to Rosecove Beach and follow where I go. Now enter the cave. Follow me. Lugia will spawn here.